Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the word discharge. It's used in many situations, but what does it really mean? Don't worry, I'm here to explain it all, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use discharge like a pro. Let's get started. So what does discharge mean? Well, discharge can have a few different meanings depending on the situation. The main meaning of discharge is to release or to allow someone to leave. For example, when someone is discharged from the hospital, it means they're allowed to leave after getting treatment. Example, the doctor discharged me from the hospital after 2 days of treatment. Another meaning of discharge can be about releasing something or sending it out. For example, you might discharge a responsibility or a duty, meaning you finish it or get rid of it. Example, the company discharged its responsibilities by paying the workers salaries. Let's look at some more examples so you can really understand how to use discharge. After the event, the security guard was discharged from his duties. The bank will discharge the loan once it's fully paid off. My doctor said I would be discharged tomorrow after my recovery. See how in these examples, discharge means to release, finish, or let go of something? Now you might be thinking, when do I use discharge? Well, discharge is most commonly used when talking about being released from somewhere, like a hospital or even a job. But it's also used when talking about finishing something or releasing something. For example, if you've worked in a job for a while and the employer decides to end your contract, they might say, you're discharged from your duties. It can also refer to the release of something, like electricity or a fluid. Example, the battery will discharge when you're not using it. Let's do a quick recap. Discharge means to release or let go of something or someone. It can also mean finishing or completing a duty. You use it when talking about getting out of the hospital, leaving a job, or finishing a responsibility. Now you know how to use discharge in different situations. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome English lessons. Let me know in the comments if you want me to explain more words or phrases. See you next time, and keep learning.